Previously on Noshbox, we picked up the trailer, gutted it, and gave it a shiny lick of black paint. The next job was one of the big ones. John got the hatch in and put the wood trim around the outside. The extraction went in and the black tiles went up. And now, phase 3, the clock's ticking, 2 weeks to the British Street Food Awards. The next job is the floor. We were going to build a new floor, go and buy plywood, put a layer down, but then we thought to ourselves, what the hell? So we gave it a buff and moved on to the counter. We're cutting it around the sink and supporting it on this beam. It's a two-man job. We're making sure it's flat, and then we're working out where the shelves are going to go above the stove. We're making good use of the scaffolding we found in the skip, cutting it down to size, and using it as good, strong supporting legs for the counter. John's using self-tapping screws to get them into the floor. And now we're just tidying up the poles with a nice lick of black metallic paint to give it a nice finish. Time for the newly cleaned out fridges. And it's in. The box is finally starting to take shape, ready to cook some Noshbox food. Okay, so that's it. So far so good, I think. Tomorrow we're going to test the electrics. I'm also going to bunch those little table legs up a bit to get the second fridge in because it's a little bit tight. This week coming, we've got South Sea Soak, local artist, hopefully coming down. He's going to put some artwork on the outside of the box to match Noshbox here. We're also going to get a frame built just here. This is where the barbecue's going to sit on the back of the box when the flap comes down at the back. There's going to be a framework, barbecue's going to go there, so the bacon's hanging in the smoke and cooking over the charcoal. Bacon jams ticking away over the flames.
And that's it. See you next time in phase 4.